Hello there, thrill seekers. Welcome back to our channel, your ultimate guide to all things fizzy, zippy, and downright power-packed. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay in the loop with our exhilarating content. Today, we're diving into the world of the beastly, the exhilarating, the eye-opening Monster Energy. Buckle up and get ready to unleash the beast as we reveal 10 unbelievable facts about Monster Energy that are sure to electrify your day. 1. When it comes to energy drinks, Monster Energy is a well-known brand that is synonymous with power and energy. What many people might not know is that this drink was born as an underdog. Monster Energy was launched in 2002 by Hansen Natural Company, long after the energy drink craze had already taken off. However, despite being a latecomer to the market, Monster Energy managed to carve out a sizable niche for itself, thanks in part to its bold and aggressive marketing. Today, Monster Energy remains one of the industry's major players, and its success story serves as a testament to the power of determination and hard work. 2. You've probably seen the Monster Energy logo countless times, whether it's on a can of the iconic energy drink, sportswear, or even a car. It's a logo that commands attention and evokes a sense of power and strength. What many people don't realize, however, is that the logo is not actually a depiction of a monster. Instead, it's the letter M, cleverly designed to resemble a monster's claw mark. This subtle yet creative design has proven to be instantly recognizable and has helped to solidify Monster Energy's brand identity over the years. So the next time you see that infamous logo, you'll know the secret behind its design. 3. Monster Energy is a brand that is widely recognized for its energy-boosting properties. However, it's much more than just your average energy drink. The brand is a major sponsor of various extreme sports, esports, and music events. Through these sponsorships, Monster Energy has established itself as a brand that is all about action and excitement. Whether it's sponsoring a motocross tournament or a gaming championship, Monster Energy is always in the thick of the action. It's clear that the brand's commitment to exciting and thrilling events is what sets it apart from the competition. 4. If you're a fan of energy drinks, then you've most likely tried or at least heard of Monster Energy drinks. With over 34 different flavors and special editions, there's no shortage of options to choose from. Whether you're looking for a classic energy drink or something with a little more kick, Monster Energy has a flavor for you. From the original Monster Energy to the delectable Java Monster coffee-flavored drink, each can provide a unique taste that is sure to satisfy your craving. With such a diverse range of options, it's no wonder why Monster Energy is such a popular choice among energy drink enthusiasts. 5. When Monster Energy first hit the beverage market, its original green color was a strategic choice made by the company. The bright fluorescent hue was intentional in order to stand out amidst a sea of competitors on store shelves, and it certainly worked. With its bold green can, Monster Energy became easily recognizable and quickly grew in popularity among energy drink enthusiasts. Of course, there are other factors that have contributed to its success, but the choice of color certainly played a role in establishing Monster Energy as a recognizable and distinct brand. 6. Energy drinks have become increasingly popular in recent years, but the safety of these highly caffeinated beverages has been called into question. One tragic incident that caused alarm was the death of a 14-year-old girl who reportedly drank 2 24-ounce cans of Monster Energy in a short amount of time. This has sparked concern about the regulation of energy drinks, as many are marketed towards young adults and teenagers. While energy drinks may provide a quick boost of energy for some, it is important to be aware of the potential risks and to consume these beverages in moderation. 7. Monster Energy has undoubtedly made a name for itself in the motorsports world. The well-known energy drink company sponsors various racing teams and events, including NASCAR and the Monster Energy Supercross. Their presence in the industry is significant, and it's clear that Monster Energy has a passion for the sport. With their sponsorship, they not only provide financial assistance to racing teams and events, but they also contribute to the overall excitement and thrill of the sport. For enthusiasts, a Monster Energy-sponsored race is not just about the cars or the riders, but it's also a chance to witness the energy and excitement brought by the brand's sponsorship. 8. Throughout the years, This company has found itself at the center of many legal disputes, particularly concerning its logo and branding efforts. Some of these cases have pitted the company and its legal team against some of the most renowned entities in the entertainment and sports industries, including the likes of the Beastie Boys and the Chicago Cubs. Despite the challenges and obstacles it has encountered, however, the company has remained steadfast in its commitment to maintaining its identity and unique brand image, and will continue to do so for years to come. 9. Monster Energy is truly a global phenomenon, available in an astounding 120 countries worldwide. That means the fiery, energy-boosting drink with its powerful "Unleash the Beast" slogan has found its way into the hands of individuals all over the world. From athletes to students, weekend warriors to working professionals, the reach of Monster Energy is simply unparalleled. Whether you're pounding the pavement in the bustling streets of Tokyo or catching waves in Hawaii, the unmistakable logo of Monster Energy is everywhere, inspiring people to power up and take on the day. With such a wide reach, it's clear that the beast has been unleashed on a global scale. 10. Monster Energy may have a reputation for being bold and daring, but they're also focused on sustainability. In fact, the company is making strides to improve their packaging and reduce their impact on the environment. As more and more people become concerned about the impact of plastic waste on our planet, it's great to see companies like Monster Energy taking a proactive stance on the issue. By making changes to their packaging, they're showing that they're committed to being responsible corporate citizens. It's a small step, but an important one, and we're excited to see what other steps Monster Energy takes to improve their sustainability efforts. And that wraps up our electrifying journey through the world of Monster Energy. These 10 facts should have you looking at your next can with a new sense of appreciation. Whether you're a die-hard Monster fan or an energy drink aficionado, we hope this video supercharged your knowledge. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, share it with your fellow energy enthusiasts, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, stay energized and keep unleashing the beast.